All right, hot and sweaty in my yard, but couldn't resist picking this Verdolino, and it might be early, or it might be picked it too early. Anyway, this is main crop. Looks like it could be ripe. We'll see. Ooh, well, looks like it could be pretty good. It's got some nice pooling. Let's see, what do we got? Yeah, some nice pooling of got big honey. Let's see. Oh man, this is good. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if this could be more ripe. I don't think it's fully developed, but it's delicious. More to come. Thanks.